indeed Lorentia Lombaard must be a very happy person today, as well as the National Prosecuting Authority, the state, in this matter. Of course, this is the outcome that they had wanted from the onset of this case, one being the denial or rather not being granted leave to appeal. That's, of course, the defence. And then also for Lorentia Lombaard to be granted indemnity. In his judgment just now, Judge Nathan Erasmus, in as many words, said that Lorentia Lombaard had owned up to her mistakes. That's what he told her directly when explaining to her why he has come to his decision. Also early on, and yesterday as well, we heard from the three defence counsel for Kelly Smith, Jacqueline Apollos, as well as Stefano van Rijn, on why they felt that the court had misdirected itself on finding the three guilty and also then sentencing to life imprisonment. The judge made it clear today that he is of the opinion that no other court could come to a different finding on the sentencing as well as conviction. I'm joined now by Eric Ntabazalila. He is the spokesperson of the NPA in the Western Cape. Eric, I've said there just now, this is an outcome that the state had wanted from the outset.
It is indeed that the outcome we wanted. It is an outcome that we argued for. It is an outcome we believed that there's no other court that can come to a different conclusion. We believe that the decision in terms of the conviction and sentence were the correct decisions taken by the court. So we are happy with the outcome. We are also happy with the outcome in terms of the Section 204 witness, Ms. Lorentia Lombaard, because we believe she testified frankly and honestly, which is a requirement of the Section 204 Act. So we are happy for both outcomes, and it will depend now from the other parties or how they move forward. But if they intend to move forward in any other direction, we will be there to still oppose that application that they will make.
So you're referring to a possible petition to the Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein. Will this be in regards to the sentencing, to the leave to appeal the conviction and sentence? And can they also then petition the Supreme Court of Appeal in terms of Lorentia Lombaard's granting of indemnity?
We have not received any formal communication from their side, but we've heard through the rumors in the passages that there may be that intention. Even if they go there to the SCA, we will oppose that application. We will oppose that application in terms of the application for the sentence as well as the conviction.
It's been a long road for both the state, I suppose, as well as the defence since this trial started in March, but also it predates to that day in February last year when Joshlin went missing, and we do note that she remains missing to this day despite the ongoing investigation into her whereabouts.
Yes, that's the sad part about the whole case, and which is also the part that is still emphasized by the prosecution in court, that despite us going this far and scoring these victories, sadly, Joshlin is still missing, and we are still hopeful that she is still alive, and someone or somewhere will come forward and point us and point the authorities to a direction where she is. And the appeal is still going out to anyone who may have information that will lead to a discovery.
Eric Ntabazalila, thank you so much for your time. Of course, they're the spokesperson for the National Prosecuting Authority in the Western Cape, just summarising for us the state's sentiments at this point, of course, after the High Court judge dismissed, or rather did not grant leave to appeal the conviction and sentence of Kelly Smith, Joshlin Smith's mother, her then boyfriend Jacqueline Apollos and Stefano van Rijn, and also then granting indemnity from prosecution of Lorentia Lombaard, who was the state's star witness. The court also just now in its judgment made reference to the fact that she had played an important role in the court coming to its conclusion, its verdict as well as its sentence.
All right, Vanessa, thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate it. Of course, Vanessa Poonah just unpacking that breaking news story there for us.